If your small business is losing sales because customer messages are scattered across multiple social media platforms, for example WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and also not to mention email and live chat, this tutorial will show you exactly how to use Respond.io to centralize conversations, automate follow-ups, and also close more sales. Hi, I'm Jason. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how small businesses can use Respond.io step by step. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and follow along for completely free. First, let's talk about what Respond.io does for small businesses. At its core, Respond.io gives your business one inbox for all customer conversations. That means messages from WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, website live chat, and email all appear in one inbox. Instead of switching between apps, your team can manage everything from one dashboard. For small businesses, this means faster replies, fewer misleads, and better customer support and easier follow-ups and more sales opportunities. For example, this is my inbox, and here I have my website chat connected. For example, if you were to go onto my Shopify store, this is the website chat, and I also have Facebook Messenger connected. You can also connect WhatsApp, for example, and you can connect Instagram and numerous social media platforms. And everything will be added in this chat, as you can see right here. So if I were to tap on all, you'll be able to see the different chats. As you can see right here, you can tap on them. And for example, if you would like to reply, as you can see here, you can change it. I have Facebook Messenger, I could tap right there, and I could change it if I have another platform connected. With Respond.io, you'll be able to respond to customers right here. You can simply tap here and you could type out your response. And you can, for example, take over a lead or take over a customer support section. And you'll be able to monitor everything, also calls, as you can see right here. Now let's talk about best use cases. One of the best ways small businesses use Respond.io is for lead follow-up. Let's say someone were to message you. How much does this service cost? Instead of forgetting the conversation, Respond.io lets you tag the lead, assign to a sales rep, and add notes, and set follow-up reminders, and also automate next step. For example, you can see right here, this customer, I can simply tap right here on new lead. After you have tapped on new lead, you can choose the phase. Then from there, you can simply tap right here. After I've done that, I can go over to the left-hand menu option, and you can see that it has been added. And then you can also assign it to someone by tapping right here. You'll be able to assign it to someone. You can also tap on the three dots from right here. And for example, you can add notes. You can also scroll down, and this is where you'll be able to assign it, as you can see right here. So just like that, you have a CRM built in. So this is perfect for real estate leads, salon bookings, client appointments, and also agency, prospects, and local service quotes. Fast follow-up often means more closed deals. Now, another use case would be customer support. This is where most small businesses save time. Customers constantly ask, where is my order? What are your opening hours? Can I book an appointment? Do you offer delivery? Is this product in stock? Instead of replying manually every time, create quick replies and automation, and this dramatically reduces support workload. For example, this is Facebook Messenger right here. So let's say I were to tap right here and then just ask what ingredients are in the soap. After typing out my question, I'll simply wait a few seconds, and from there you're going to see that the AI automatically responds. You can see that the AI has responded, as you can see right there. Another good use case for Respond.io when it comes onto small businesses, you can also use it for sales automation. Small businesses can use Respond.io to automate abandoned cart, appointment reminders, code follow-ups, and also COD confirmations. You can also use it for payment reminders, upsells, and repeat purchase campaigns and review requests. This turns conversations into a real sales workflow instead of a random chat. For example, by going over to the left-hand menu option, you can tap right here where you see workflow. With Respond.io, you are provided with a few templates that you can quickly edit. So you can tap on templates and you can see different templates that you can choose from. You have autoresponders, you have numerous templates that you can choose from right here. Or you can choose to create a new workflow by tapping on Start from Scratch depending on the particular outcome that you want. So for example, if it is an abandoned cart recovery, you might want to tap on Start from Scratch. But if it is a case that you want to, for example, create a welcome message or so on, you can see different template options that you can use. Now let's talk about the best channels for small businesses. First, I would recommend that you connect WhatsApp when it comes onto Respond.io. And to connect the different channels is quite straightforward. When you're getting started, you're just going to tap on Connect Channel. And as you can see right here with Respond.io, not only can you connect WhatsApp, you can also connect TikTok, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, and scrolling down you can see you can also connect Twilio. You have numerous platforms that you can connect, and you can also connect your email providers and most importantly your website chat. But WhatsApp would be best for local businesses, appointments, service codes, and COD e-commerce. And Instagram DMs would be great for fashion brands, beauty businesses, creators, and also local stores, while Messenger is great for Facebook ads leads. And another thing for beginners, when it comes on to automation, I would recommend that you set up one workflow. Now let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of Respond.io when it comes onto small businesses. First, one inbox, faster replies, fewer misleads, better follow-ups, sales automation, and also team collaboration, and it supports multiple channels and easy scaling. But there are a few pullbacks. For example, setup takes planning, and advanced workflows need structure, and it may be an overkill for solo, low message businesses. But in conclusion, is Respond.io worth it for small businesses? For small businesses that rely on customer conversations, booking, support tickets, or social DMs, or WhatsApp leads, and repeat buyers, absolutely. The biggest win is simple: faster conversations equal more revenue. That makes it easy to justify. If you want to try Respond.io for your small business, I've included a free link below. Thanks for watching.